Good morning, children. Today we are going to study conversion of solids from one shape to another. When we convert a solid from one shape to another shape, its volume remains same. For example, when we convert a cone into a cylinder, the volume of cone and volume of cylinder are same or equal. Listen, first question. Selvi's house has an overhead tank in the shape of a cylinder. This is filled by pumping water from the sump. Sump means an underground tank, which is in the shape of a cuboid. The sump has dimensions 1.5 meter into 57 meter into 1.44 meter into 95 centimeter. The overhead tank has its radius 60 centimeter and height is 95 centimeter. Find the height of the water left in the sump after the overhead tank has been completely filled with water from the sump, which had been full. Compare the capacity of the tank with that of the sump. Take pi is equal to 3.14 is the question. Here we have first one, two solid shapes. Selvi's house has an overhead tank in the shape of a cylinder. Overhead tank, cylinder shape, overhead tank. Which are the measurements? Overhead tank in the shape of a cylinder. This tank is filled with water from a sump. This is filled by pumping water from a sump. Sump means an underground tank which is in the shape of a cuboid. Next one is sump. Shape is cuboid. Then the sump has dimensions 1.57 meter into 1.44 meter into 95 centimeter. Here two measurements are in meters and one is in centimeter. We have to convert that centimeter into meter. 1.57 meter into 1.44 meter into 0.95 centimeter. 0.95 meter means length, breadth, height. Sump, the length, breadth, height of sump. Sump is in the shape of a cuboid. Find the overhead tank has its radius R 60 centimeter and height 95 centimeter. Here these measurements are all in meters, so we convert this also in meters. This is 0.6 meter. This is 0.95 meter. Convert this also into meters. The overhead tank has its radius 60 centimeter and height 95 centimeter. Find the height of the water left in the sump. Here some water is left in the sump. After filling this overhead tank, some water is remaining in the sump. We have to find the height of that water. For that, here the volume of overhead tank is equal to the volume of water removed from the sump. Volume of tank is equal to volume of overhead tank is equal to volume of water removed from the sump. Volume of overhead tank is equal to volume of water removed from the sump. First we find the volume of overhead tank. Volume of overhead tank. Here the tank is in the shape of cylinder. Its volume is pi r square h. The value of pi is given 3.14 into r, 0.6 into 0.6 into h, 4.95. This is the volume of overhead tank. Then we have to find the volume of sump when it is completely filled with water. Volume of sump when completely filled with water. Filled with water. Here the sump is in the shape of a cuboid. So its volume is length into breadth into height. That are given in order. 1.57 into 1.44 into 0.95 meter. So this is the volume, total volume of sump. This first one is the volume of overhead tank. Then volume of water left in the sump. Volume of water left in the sump is equal to volume of water left in the sump is equal to volume of sump minus volume of overhead tank. Volume of water left in the sump is equal to volume of sump minus volume of overhead tank equals volume of water left in the sump is equal to volume of sump. What is the volume of sump? Volume of sump is 1.57 into 1.44 into 0.95 minus volume of overhead tank is 3.14 into 0.6 into 0.6 into 0.95. We use an easy method for subtraction. Listen, 1.57 into 1.44 is 0.6 into 0.6 into 4 into 0.95 minus 3.14 is 2 into 1.57 into 0.6 into 0.6 into 0.95. Take common numbers 1.56, 0.6, 0.6, 0.95. These four numbers are common. That take outside here 4, here minus 2, which is equal to 1.57 into 0.6 into 0.6 into 0.95 into 2. This is the volume of water left in the sump. Now, our question is first one, we have to find the height of water level in the sump after completely filled the overhead tank. So, height of water in the sump is the question. For that, volume of water in the sump is 1.57 into 0.6 into 0.6 into 0.95 into 2. Height of water in the sump is equal to volume of water in the sump divided by L into B of sump. Length and breadth of here volume is equal to LBH. To calculate H is equal to V divided by length into breadth. H is equal to volume by length into breadth. Here volume is 1.57 into volume of sump divided by length into breadth of sump equals volume 1.57 into 0.6 into 0.6 into 0.95 into 2 divided by, what are the measurements of length, the breadth of sum? 1.57 into 1.44. Cancelled. 0.6, this 4. Then 2.95 divided by 2 is equal to 0.475 meter is equal to 47.5 centimeter. 0.475 meter is equal to 47.5 centimeter. Our next is find the capacity of the tank with that of the sump, and also compare the capacity. Find the capacity and compare the capacity. These are the next two parts. For that, first, capacity of the tank is equal to 3.14 into 0.6 into 0.6 into 0.95 divided by 1.57 into 1.44 into 0.95 is equal to 1 divided by 2. That means capacity of the tank is half of the capacity of sump. Capacity of the tank is half of the capacity of the sump. Capacity of the sump. Next question. A cone of height 24 centimeter and a radius of base 6 centimeter is made up of clay, modeling clay, A child reshapes it in the form of a sphere. Find the radius of the sphere. Find the radius of the sphere. Here, a cone of height 24 centimeter and a radius of base 6 centimeter is made up of modeling clay. A child reshapes it in the form of a sphere. One cone, cone. A cone of height 24 centimeter and radius 6 centimeter. Radius of base, radius 6 centimeter is made up of modeling clay. A child reshapes it in the form, this spherical conical shape reshapes in the form of a sphere. A child reshapes this cone in the form of a sphere. That means here volume of cone is equal to volume of sphere. Second case, sphere. What is the radius of the sphere? In the form of a sphere. Find the radius of the sphere is the question. Here, volume of cone is equal to volume of sphere. What is the volume of cone formula? 1 by 3 pi r square h is equal to volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. Substitute the values 1 by 3 into pi 22 by 7 into r 6 into 6 into 24 is equal to 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r cube. Here 22 by 7, 22 by 7, 1 by 3, 1 by 3 cancelled. 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Remaining 6 into 6 into 24 is equal to 4 into r cube. R cube is equal to 6 into 6 into 24 by 4. 4, 24, 6. R cube is equal to 6 into 6 into 6. R is equal to cube root of 6 into 6 into 6 is equal to 6 centimeter. So the radius of the sphere is 6 centimeter. Next question. A copper rod of diameter 1 centimeter and length 8 centimeter is drawn into a wire of length 18 meter of uniform thickness. Find the thickness of the wire. Find the thickness of the wire. Listen the question. A copper rod of diameter. Copper rod. A rod is the shape of cylinder. Copper rod. Shape is cylinder. Cylindrical shape. A copper rod of diameter 1 centimeter. So radius is 1 by 2 centimeter. And length means height 8 centimeter is drawn into a wire of length 18 meter. Drawn means it is reshaped into a wire of length 18 meter. In reshaping, its shape is also cylinder. Reshaped shape cylinder. Cylinder of it drawn into a wire of length. Length means x 18 meter is equal to, here all units are centimeter. So we convert 18 into 100. 1800 centimeter. Our second cylinder. This first cylinder is reshaped into second cylinder having height 1800 centimeter. Our question is, find the thickness of the wire. Thickness of the wire means the diameter of the wire. For calculating diameter, first we have to find the radius of this reshaped cylinder. What is the volume? Volume of copper rod is equal to volume of reshaped cylinder. Pi r square h. Say pi r square h, pi 22 by 7 into what is r in the first case? 1 by 2 whole square into h 8 is equal to second case 22 by 7 into r square into h is 1800. 22 by 7, 22 by 7 cancelled. 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4 into 8 is equal to 8 by 4, 2 is equal to r square into 1800. R square is equal to 2 divided by 1800 equals 2 divided by 1800 is equal to 1 divided by 900 is equal to r is equal to square root of 1 by 900 is equal to 1 by 30 centimeter. This is the radius. Diameter is equal to 1 by 30 into 2 is equal to 1 by 15 centimeter. This is the diameter. Diameter is the therefore thickness of the wire. Diameter is the thickness of the wire. Thickness of the wire is equal to 1 by 15 centimeter. Next question. A hemispherical tank full of water is tank full of water is emptied by a pipe emptied by a pipe at the rate of 4/7 liters per second. How much time will it take to empty half the tank if it is 3 meter in diameter? Pi is equal to 22 by 7. Read the question. A hemispherical tank, that means the tank is in the shape of a hemisphere. A hemispherical tank, hemisphere, full of water is emptied by a pipe at the rate of 4/7 liters per second. In 1/7, 4/7 liters of water is removed from the tank. How much time will it take to empty half the tank if it is 3 meter in diameter? Diameter 3 meter, radius is equal to 3 by 2 meter. Take pi is equal to 22 by 7. First we have to find the volume of this hemispherical tank. Then find the half volume. Then we apply this 4/7 liters of water per second. Then volume. What is the volume of hemisphere? 2 by 3 pi r cube is equal to 2 by 3 into pi. 22 by 7 into r cube. 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 is equal to 3, 3, 2, 2, 11, 2, 99 by 7, 99 by 14 meter cube. This is the volume. Then half volume is equal to 1 by 2 of 99 by 14 is equal to 99 by 28 meter cube is equal to 99,000 by 28 liters. Half volume is equal to 99,000 by 28 liters. Lesson 3, 4 by 7 is equal to 25 by 7 liters of water is emptied in 1 second. Therefore, 99,000 by 28 liters of water is emptied in 99,000 by 28 division 25 by 7 is equal to 99,000 by 28 into 7 by 25 seconds is equal to, we divide this, we get 16.5 minutes is the answer. 16.5 minutes. We get, on dividing this, we get in second. Again we divide that, divided by 60, we get 16.5 minutes is the answer. Thank you.